And now, sir, if coming to the general awareness portion, so sir, what sources you preferred for that, or what technique that you think is good for the aspirants? What topics that they should skip or may not skip?
For me, I skipped sports section. It was very lengthy.
Right.
First of all, then I was not able to remember dates. All these dates today is World Health Day and all those
Yeah,
days
yeah.
I could not remember, so I skipped it.
Hmm.
And then I focused 4 months GA. I
Okay.
did it from Affairs Cloud because I was focusing my phase two. So 4 5 things I used to do every day because I was working and it
Hmm.
was I'm under probation. I didn't want to take leave before my prelims. I was focusing mains only. So what I used to do, I used to read every day Atta 247 every day. Every day it hardly takes 15 minutes. Then every day this phase this uh, Affairs Cloud every day.
Hmm.
And then I used to, before I sleep, I used to just open their app and like just mark the
Revise.
just mark the quiz
Okay.
and try to remember that. And
Okay.
when after 1 week, like on Saturday, Sunday, we have off here every Saturday, Sunday. So I used to just revise full week. That I used to do for current affairs. Along that, your RBI series, I would have RBI series was very beneficial, and all those question series you have taken, I don't remember now, but there was some sir who used to take 300 question 200. They were very beneficial.
Right.
I still remember there were more than 12 15 questions directly from that we used, and they were very direct questions. So that I used to use for my revision. And for summary, since I gave it last year, I know they sometimes also give summary. And I then, since I had a course of EduTap, but
Hmm.
summary, this thing scheme, but it was very lengthy, like 300 pages. So I thought ki let's do summary type only,
Right.
the scheme type, sorry. So
Yeah.
I
Same
did
step.
three
Hmm.
4 months scheme tab,
Hmm.
and that is from you, and this is how I prepared for GA, and I marked 60 61 and I was able to get 50.